Welcome to our roundup of the best hedge trimmer options. Whether you are shaping shrubs, maintaining hedges, or clearing overgrown bushes around your yard, we have selected top-rated hedge trimmers that combine cutting power, comfort, and long-term reliability. We will break down each model's key specs like blade length, battery performance, cutting capacity, weight, and ease of handling to help you find the perfect tool for your garden work. A good hedge trimmer does not just make the job faster, it also makes it safer, cleaner, and far less tiring. Do not forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. Let's dive in and find the ideal hedge trimmer for you. The first on the list is the Black & Decker 20V Max cordless hedge trimmer. This cordless model is designed for homeowners who want an easy, lightweight, and efficient trimming solution. With its 20-volt lithium battery, 22-inch dual-action blade, and 3/4-inch cutting capacity, it handles small to medium hedges smoothly while minimizing vibration. The battery delivers steady power that allows you to move freely around your yard without being restricted by cords. The dual-action blade cuts from both sides, which not only speeds up trimming but also reduces the effort needed to slice through branches. Its lightweight build makes a noticeable difference during longer trimming sessions. You can comfortably guide it around corners, across hedge tops, and along narrow edges without straining your arms or shoulders. The soft grip handle improves control and reduces fatigue, especially when shaping hedges for a more precise look. This trimmer is also part of a shared battery platform, which means if you already own other compatible tools, you can swap batteries and extend runtime easily. Safety and usability are thoughtfully designed. The transparent guard allows you to clearly see your cutting path, helping you avoid mistakes and shape hedges accurately. The instant start trigger means there's no complicated setup or delay before beginning work. It's quieter than gas-powered alternatives and requires almost no maintenance beyond charging the battery. Overall, this hedge trimmer is a reliable and beginner-friendly option that offers freedom of movement, comfortable handling, and dependable cutting performance for regular yard maintenance. Next up is the CC Pole Hedge Trimmer Cordless. This model is ideal for users who struggle with tall hedges and hard-to-reach branches. Featuring a telescopic pole design, adjustable cutting head, and high-capacity rechargeable battery, it allows you to trim elevated areas safely while standing firmly on the ground. The adjustable head can be angled in multiple positions, making it easy to trim the tops and sides of hedges with precision. The extended reach eliminates the need for ladders, which greatly improves safety during trimming. Despite its long pole, the tool remains well balanced, so it doesn't feel overly heavy when fully extended. The dual-action blade slices through thicker branches smoothly while reducing vibration, allowing you to work steadily without discomfort. This is especially useful when maintaining large hedges that would otherwise take much longer to manage. Battery performance is strong enough to handle extended sessions without frequent recharging, and the cordless design prevents tangled wires when moving around large garden spaces. The included shoulder strap helps distribute weight across your body, reducing arm strain during prolonged use. Overall, this pole hedge trimmer is a smart and practical choice for homeowners with tall hedges, offering reach, safety, and efficient cutting performance in one versatile tool. Next is the Black & Decker 40V Max Hedge Trimmer. This trimmer is built for users who need extra power for thicker branches and larger hedges. Equipped with a 40-volt lithium battery, 24-inch dual-action blade, and 3/4-inch cutting capacity, it provides stronger performance and longer runtime compared to lighter models. The longer blade allows you to cover more area in each pass, helping you finish trimming tasks faster and more efficiently. The dual-action blade reduces vibration, which improves control and comfort even when cutting dense growth. The powerful battery ensures consistent cutting strength without slowing down midway through the job. This makes it suitable for medium to large yards where you need reliable performance for extended trimming. Its ergonomic handle design allows multiple gripping positions, giving you better control when trimming at different angles. Even with its added power, it remains quieter and cleaner than gas-powered trimmers while delivering impressive cutting strength. Overall, this hedge trimmer is an excellent choice for homeowners who want stronger performance, longer runtime, and efficient coverage for demanding yard work. Next is the Works 22-inch cordless hedge trimmer. This model stands out for offering precision trimming combined with adjustable power. With a 22-inch laser-cut blade, 2-speed control, and 3/4-inch cutting capacity, it allows you to switch between light shaping and heavy trimming with ease. The 2-speed feature helps conserve battery during lighter work and provides extra cutting power when dealing with thicker branches. The laser-cut blades create cleaner cuts, which is healthier for plants and promotes better hedge growth over time. Its lightweight build and ergonomic grip make it comfortable to use for extended periods without causing fatigue. The battery platform is compatible with other tools from the same range, making it convenient if you already own similar equipment. Safety features include a front guard and dual trigger start system that prevents accidental operation. The cordless design allows full movement around your yard without worrying about extension cords. Overall, this hedge trimmer offers versatility, precision, and dependable performance for both detailed shaping and routine hedge maintenance. The last one on our list is the Black & Decker BEHT 150 electric hedge trimmer. This corded option is ideal for users who prefer unlimited runtime and consistent power. Featuring a 17-inch dual-action blade, 3.2-amp motor, and lightweight compact design, it delivers steady cutting performance as long as it's plugged in. You never have to worry about charging batteries or losing power during a trimming session. The dual-action blade reduces vibration and cuts through small and medium branches smoothly. Its compact size makes it easy to handle, especially for beginners or those working with smaller hedges. The wraparound front handle provides multiple gripping positions, allowing better control when trimming hedges from different angles. Because it runs on direct electricity, performance remains constant throughout the task. There's no downtime, no charging delay, and very little maintenance required. It's also quieter than gas-powered tools and budget-friendly for homeowners who want a simple, effective trimming solution near a power source. Before you choose, consider the height of your hedges, the thickness of branches, and whether you prefer cordless freedom or unlimited corded power. Matching the tool to your yard size will make trimming faster, safer, and much more comfortable. So, that's it for the best hedge trimmers you can choose to keep your hedges neat, healthy, and perfectly shaped. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your garden looking sharp.